Italy, a journey through time and inspiration. Imagine walking streets where emperors ruled, artists thrived, and revolutions sparked. Italy is no ordinary destination. It's a living museum that shaped the very fabric of Western civilization. From ancient ruins to timeless art, every corner tells a story that transcends generations. Step into the Colosseum, feel the echoes of gladiators, and marvel at aqueducts that defy time. The Roman Empire's innovation in engineering, governance, and culture was the bedrock of modern society. In Italy, these remnants aren't just artifacts. They're bridges to an extraordinary past. Stand beneath Michelangelo's Sistine ceiling or admire Da Vinci's timeless creations. Italy gave birth to the Renaissance, a golden age of art, science, and innovation. Florence, Venice, and Rome became beacons of creativity, inspiring the world and shaping human imagination forever. By the 19th century, Italy's journey toward unification symbolized resilience and national pride. Its bold transformation united diverse regions into a single, vibrant nation, a testament to its enduring creativity and influence across the globe. Italy isn't just a destination, it's a pilgrimage into the soul of civilization and art. Let its ruins, masterpieces, and historic echoes awaken your wanderlust. Pack your bags, follow the footsteps of greatness, and be part of a story that continues to shape our world. Dive into history. Your Italian journey awaits.